Maybe Raj was right, Lamar. Maybe you do need to go home. Maybe you need to go home. No place like home. Home. It's such a lovely day to go home.
You're looking a bit pale too, Laszlo. Maybe you need your blood.
We're like Siamese twins. Siamese twins. You need to go home, Lamar. Home. Home. Way down upon this world.
Everybody hold up!
Going fast. Going very fast.
I can't see a gosh darn thing out of these goggles. Can you see anything, Chip?
Do you imbeciles really need to be wearing your goggles before you get in the water?
I don't know, but I have my floaty.
Watch out!
What in the hell? Monkey and sea lamprey! Monkey and sea lamprey! Split up! Run for your lives! The red wagon is out of control!
Pardon me, so sorry.
Laszlo?
Swimmers, take your mark. Get set.
Wait! Run for your lives! Monkey and sea lamprey! Monkey and sea lamprey!
Lily pad!